Guys, I honestly did not know that there are so many options related to Aadhaar card and they're also very necessary. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Aadhaar card is linked with your bank account. Now this is crucial because whenever a government runs any schemes, the benefits that you receive is with the bank account that is linked with your Aadhaar card. But how do you find out if your bank account is linked with the Aadhaar card or not? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the simple step-by-step process so that you can find out which of your bank account is linked with your Aadhaar card. Hello everyone, I'm Mani of Fiiber by India Today, and before we get started, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So for the steps, first you need to go to the direct benefit transfer website, and then you have to select the document sections, and below that you have to select the DBT payments option. Now after this, many options will appear in front of you. Here you have to select the citizen corner option. Next, you will see many more options below. So here you have to select a check bank account Aadhaar linking status. You will then be redirected to the UIDAI website where you will see the login option. You have to select it then. Now enter your Aadhaar number here. Below that, enter the CAPTCHA code and then click on send OTP. Enter the OTP that you receive, and now your myAadhaar dashboard will open, showing many options again. Ignore all of them. You just have to scroll down to find the bank seeding status option and select it. Now here you will see the bank account that is linked to your Aadhaar card. For example, mine is linked with Bank of India and it shows as active right now along with part of the account number. This means I can receive any benefits or schemes from the government in this account, and if it shows as inactive, then there is a problem. You will need to visit your bank branch and inform the officials that the KYC needs to be done and your bank account that is linked with your Aadhaar card, that what you are assuming is inactive right now. So of course they will quickly resolve it, and if the bank still can't fix the issue, then of course you'll have to make a new account number, do the KYC and stuff and update it. That's a very simple process, but it is very important. So guys, if you have any queries or questions regarding this video, or if you want the Fiiber team to make a video on a specific topic, let us know. We'll try to make a video on it, and I will catch you all in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and thank you for watching.